All right, so we have a king room at the Grand Californian. We have an adjoining room with some friends. There's some hooks for coats, which we don't have, or bags maybe. You come in and you have a closet. Open that up. Got lighting, your iron, board and your iron, extra pillows, and your safe with some hangers. Then you have your double sink. Oh, look, they have a step stool for me. And all of your toiletries. Well, that's cute, a little succulent, but very nice. Double sink, lots of counter space. Lovely mirror with the lights. You also have the makeup mirror. Woo! Got our towels, and they've got a nice pocket door for the toilets and the water closet. And oh, this is an awesome walk-in shower. I like the little corner bench. And then you've got the H2O products there. Wow, this is a nice shower. Cute little artwork with Chip and Dale and the oranges. It's kind of the theme. So we go back here, and here we have the coffee that goes with the Keurig. Your ice bucket and cups. Down here is a refrigerator, no freezer, but a refrigerator. Nice. Then we, like I said, we have a king size bed with plenty of under the bed space for luggage. Oh my, Eddie.
Well, everything sounds loud when you're whispering.
Okay. Artwork. There's Chip. Dale's over there. We'll look at it in just a minute. But nice cozy looking bed. You've got a desk and another mirror.
I like the lights up there.
Nice TV. Oh yeah, the lights that go around.
You can dim them.
Yeah, you can dim them. Oh, that's nice.
Welcome to the love.
Oh, God. Goes all the way around, so that's nice. Nice big TV. Plenty of places to plug in your electronics. Nice, spacious. Wow, those are really deep drawers. Those are nice. So plenty of places to put your clothes. And I'm gonna assume, and yes.
Has like a picture in it?
It's a sofa bed.
Oh yeah,
Oh, that's the picture. Oh yeah, that's very cute. We've got more artwork up here. Kind of got a glare from all the lights and stuff, but. And then you've got a chair over here, which I believe turns into a twin size bed. I think we've seen in other people's videos. But nice lamp in the corner. Some more artwork. And then over here is Chip. So then one of the most amazing parts is the balcony. We got a premium view. So this is a really spacious balcony. It's very private, and we've got a table and 2 chairs here. But the pool, And then over in the distance, you can see Guardians of the Galaxy attraction and the Grizzly River Run. I'm trying to point it out there, so you can be right there. But it's really cool view. And although you hear lots of noise at the pool, when you go back in the room, it's very quiet once you close the sliding door. So yeah, excellent room, right, Eddie?
Very
It's
excellent.
gorgeous.
Very excellent.
Yes, so Grand Californian here in Disneyland. Yay! Thanks for watching. Say bye, Eddie.
Bye, Eddie.